welcome back. So many of you guys have requested that I do a cooking segment on my YouTube channel, so here it is. And in today's first episode of my cooking segment, I'm gonna be making you guys my easy and simple but delicious breakfast fried rice. So if you wanna learn, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so let's get started. For the ingredients, you're gonna need, of course, cooked rice, 4 eggs, some beef smoked sausage by Hillshire Farms. This is the one I use all the time. You're gonna need soy sauce, vegetable oil, and then for your seasoning, you're gonna use salt, garlic powder, and chili flakes if you like spice. My family loves spicy food, so I always add this to the fried rice. Half an onion, and also you're gonna need some garlic. I use about 4 to 5 cloves. Also, just keep in mind, depending on your liking, you can add more seasoning, more salt, more garlic, depending on what you like. So the first thing we're gonna get started on is chopping all the vegetables first and also the sausage. So I'm basically just chopping the garlic as fine as I can into little pieces. All right, so I have half an onion here. We're gonna go ahead and start chopping it. And we're gonna cut it into small pieces as well. Not as small as the garlic, but pretty small too. So it's gonna be about that size right there. And keep in mind too, when you cook onions, they do shrink a little bit as well. Okay. Now for the sausage, I just basically cut them into little pieces as well, just like this. All right, now that you have everything chopped and ready to go, the next step is to cook your sausage and your eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eggs first. All right guys, so we're here at the stove, and you wanna go ahead and set your flame at about medium to medium low. Right now I have it on low, and you're gonna add some oil. And like I said, I don't whisk the eggs before I cook it because I don't know, for some reason I like the two-tone color in my rice. I feel like it looks better. And as you can see guys, my eggs is kind of getting stuck to the bottom of the pan. This cookware specifically is Salad Master, and you have to wait until it gets really hot before you put the eggs, but I didn't wait long enough, but it's okay. The eggs are still cooking fine. So I have it pretty much done, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in this bowl. And then we're gonna move on to the sausage. So I'm just gonna leave that and then cook the sausage. You don't need to add any oil when you're cooking sausage because it has natural oils. I'm just gonna throw that in there. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on so the pan gets heated in time to cook the rice. And you also want to continually kind of turn over the sausage so it doesn't burn. Into this bowl so we can start cooking the actual fried rice. So like I said, I cooked the eggs and sausage first, set it aside while I cook the rice, and then you're gonna add it to the mixture at the end. All right. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start cooking the rice. You're gonna wanna add some vegetable oil to the pot or the pan. And the first thing I'm gonna add is, should have thought about this, but try to just add the garlic first. A little bit of onions in there, but that's okay. And you're gonna set your flame to about medium to low. So you don't want the garlic to burn too much. We're gonna let that saute a bit. And what I like to do to ensure it cooks without burning is I like to kind of move it around every so often. So I'll let it sit there for a little bit and then I'll also move it around at the same time. Once that cooked for a little bit, I'm gonna add the onions. Oh my God, that smells amazing. I love when onion and garlic are sauteing, the smell. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna mix that together. And for the onions, you're gonna wanna cook it until it gets kind of like a see-through, translucent color. You can add a little bit of oil if you feel like it needs it. I think it needs a little bit more so it doesn't burn. And you're also gonna wanna move the onions around the pot as well. So while the onions and the garlic is sauteing, I do like to add some seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt. A good amount. I like a lot of taste. So I put a lot of salt. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flakes. Ooh. And then I don't add the garlic salt until I mix the rice in here. So I just wanted to mention this because I know this pot is super huge, but you don't have to use a pot this big, obviously, but I like to be able to mix everything easily. And so I find that using a bigger pot is easier when you're mixing the fried rice. Okay, looks about done. The onions are well cooked and see-through in color. So now I'm gonna add the rice next. This amount is about 2 cups of uncooked, so I don't know, it's about 4 to 5 cups of cooked rice. So I'm just gonna add it to the onions and the garlic. And I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it together until everything's mixed well. Okay, when you mix it pretty good, you're gonna add some soy sauce. Add as much as you want. I kind of eyeball it. Woo! I kind of eyeball it. We don't need the whole mixture. Let's go ahead and mix that. That's about good. Like I said, my family likes a lot of taste, so I probably put more than your average person, but you can add more or less depending on your liking. Ooh, that's looking so good. And also, you guys, to taste your food, I always taste mine. I don't really like to take exact measurements when I'm cooking. I kind of just like adding and eyeballing and then tasting it and just seeing if I want to add more or less. That's like perfect. Oh my god. So now, like I said, I add the garlic salt last. The last seasoning you're going to add to the mixture. And I just go ahead and drizzle it all over the top. That's good. Add mix. Once you get the mixture all good, you can go ahead and add your eggs. Just 4 cooked eggs. See how there's like 2 colors there? I like that. So I'm gonna add it. And in between adding things, you're gonna mix it up so it's evenly distributed. And the heat is on a low at this point because everything's pretty much cooked. You're just keeping it warm. Okay, and last, you're gonna add your sausage. Oh yeah. Mix that. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make breakfast fried rice. Oh my god, that looks good. All right, guys. Time for the taste test. Also, sorry if this video had a little bit of shakiness or anything. This is the first time we're filming this cooking part and I'm kind of learning how it goes, so just cut me some slack on this one. And also shout out to my sister Jazz for filming it for me. Thank you so much. She's about to eat with me, but she doesn't want to be on camera, so. Hi, Jazz. Anyways, so I'm gonna taste it. I'm so freaking excited because this is so good. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god, this is so good. That is all for today's video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like this video if you did and comment down below if you do decide to make it at home. I want to know how you guys like it. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and stay tuned for more of these videos. Bye guys. Wait. My eyes being weird, Josh. Like remember how like sometimes my eyelid like fold weird? Bye guys. Oh my god, George, it's so good. Is it good or what? Yeah.
I want more sausage.
Yeah, we can add more sausage. Also, guys, keep in mind, add more sausage because
That was
the more sausage,
that's so good.
the more sausage, the better.